Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to give you the demo of this application panel to panel grout tubes. This application create the grout tubes between the top and bottom panels. You can select all the panels in the model and create panel to panel grout tubes with this application. Let me walk you through how this application works. Just select the application, and when you do the cross selection, you can see the panels are selected both top and bottom, and press the middle mouse. This will automatically apply lower and upper grout tubes. These grout tubes are already added as subassembly to the respective panels. Let me select the panel as an assembly. Right click and pressing the shift key, let me click hide. You can see the lower grout tube is not visible. That indicates the grout tubes are already added as subassembly. Let me try with the top one. So now you can see. So you don't have to add this grout tubes as subassemblies to the panels. So once I double click and open the application, so you can change the grout tube diameter and bar. You can also select the material and the grade, change the name and class. Now here you can change the position near side, far side and both side. So this is where you can adjust the distances. And you have different options here: bent tubes, skinny, straight and slope tubes. And if you don't want to create a bar, you can select this option no, and you can also change the bar length. So this is the distance from the start point and end point. You have distribution by quantity, maximum, exact and custom spacing. For example, let me make this as 4 and modify this. Or if I make it 1 just for an example, and then if you want to move it, let me just make this distance as 1000. Let me make it maximum spacing. Then you can change the distance here. And the next one is exact spacing. And you can also have custom spacing. So you can type the distances here. Maybe the first two should be 600 and the next one is 300 and the next one is 600. As I said, you can apply this grout tubes to all the panels in the precast project. Let me go back to the 3D view. Now I'm selecting the panel grout tubes. Let me select the panels. You can see both top and bottom panels are selected. Once I press the middle mouse, this will automatically create to all the panels. So let me just select and make this modification. If I go to the quantity, let me make this one as 4. So here it is. So with this application, it will be quite easy for you to create a panel grout tubes between two panels. If you have any question, feel free to reach out to me, and thank you for watching this video.